Hey guitar enthusiasts, welcome back. Lauren Bateman here. We're in the second video lick of our hand dexterity series. We're going to be doing Lean on Me. So what I'm going to do is briefly show you how this sounds, and then we're going to get into how to play it. All right, so now that you know what it's supposed to sound like, let's get into how we're going to play it. The cool thing about this song, just like the last song in our series, is the majority of the playing is done on just the A string. Towards the end, we do have one note that we reach up to our E string for, but for the most part, we're sticking to the A string. So the frets we're going to be playing on this are the open A string, the 2nd fret, the 4th fret, and the 5th fret. So fingers 1, 3, and 4, okay? And we're going to start, the first note is just an open A string. Very nice. Then we're going to go open, 2, 4, 5, all in a row. So it's open, open, 2, 4, 5. Again, each finger has its own fret. So the first finger's on the 2nd fret, 3rd finger owns the 4th fret, pinky owns the 5th fret. So it's open, open, 2, 4, 5. And all we're going to do is we're going to play that backwards now. It's going to go 5, 4, 2, open. So basically, that's most of the lick. So it's open, open, 2, 4, 5, and then we're going to play it backwards. 5, 4, 2, open. And then we go open, 2, 4, 4, 2. All right, so that last part again is open, 2, 4, 4, 2. So the first section is just open, open, 2, 4, 5, then backwards, 5, 4, 2, open, and then open, 2, 4, 4, 2. And now the second part is played exactly the same. It's just instead of playing 4, 2 at the very end, we're going to jump up to the top E string and hit the 4th fret on the E string, and then the open A string. So if I show you that within the context of the lick, it's going to be open, open, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, open, open, 2, 4, and this is where it's going to change. We're going to take that 3rd finger, lift it to the top string, 4th fret, and then open A string. Once again, take your time, practice hard, and click ahead to go to the next lesson lick video.